Hello everyone, welcome back to Selling Crypto, and today I'm talking about how we can profit from this bear market. So as usual, there is no financial advice and please do your own research. So I know that you guys are hurting sitting your portfolio now so much, and I'm hurting also. I understand you guys, but the thing to take note of is that the market doesn't care at all. It's gonna move forward disregarding your emotions. You won't be like, oh my god, Andy, you set your sell limit on Luna at 86 bucks. How you feel before going down? But no, it just went down to 60 bucks, and that is really in the world of pain. So now let's try to put our emotions aside and have a clear head and think of what's the best thing to do moving forward from now onwards. So for me, I'm still standing by my own stance of shorting weak altcoins to profit in the short term, as Bitcoin still looks weak. As you can see from over here, there's like not much price action between like 30k and the 35k area here. So what I expect to see from now is for Bitcoin to drop to 30k and attack the liquidity over here by offered by the lows over here. So yeah, so I expect that Bitcoin Alpha is bottom yet, and 30k may be the bottom, but I'm really not sure about that, as I like to see how Bitcoin read off the 30k. Yeah, so that's the one thing to take note of on 30k level and how Bitcoin will read off from there. So yeah, so I'll get my thoughts on Twitter or TradingView, so don't worry about that. So as you see the 4-hour chart, you can see that other Bitcoin have a sort of mini try to rally up to the 20 MA, but it got rejected hard and it simply just fall from there. So signifying that the short term is still a downtrend. As such, as a traders, we should just like think that it's a downtrend until Bitcoin shows signs of reversal. So now I'll go to like I'll offer some reasons why I'm still like shorting with odds, as from the last videos I said 3 coins, Loop Ring, Alchemist and Atlas, and we'll review how it does so far. So for Loop Ring, right, I claim that we will short around here, but and then if you have profited, if you like write the set your stop loss, I mean set your take profit right here, you have like earn like maybe I think we barely hit, yeah, which is quite unlucky. So yeah, I think I set my TP at here, but yeah, I miss at 4.7, yeah, yeah, but I think it's miss it. So yeah, you throw it, and then the thing is, if exit off the AMA, you have profited like maybe 3 plus R, yeah, around 3 R. But the thing that's sad for me is I got exited off here, so I only earn like 0.1 R. Well, I can't see that coming, and as usual, hindsight is a bitch. So now moving on, next is the Alchemist. So this one we simply just profited a 2.3 R, which is quite good. As you can see that after it came to this area, this line over here, it bounces up. Yeah, but the thing is yeah, so I didn't expect that it would go lower, but it's okay, we secure profit and we can't go broke to gain profits. So now what's next? So as you can see that Alchemist is now is an all-time low, so we can now look for another entry. Yeah, so as usual you can see that it's respecting 9 EMA. So what I like to see is maybe the Alchemist to bounce, I mean to like pull back to the 9 EMA, and then if like there's a bearish like candlestick pattern, and when the MACD crosses down again, that's where I'll go short again. Yeah. Then after I'll simply throw it using the 20 EMA with one ATR above 50 EMA. And I won't be able to take profit because Alchemist is now in the price discovery mode. So now moving on, next will be Atlas. So Atlas, yeah, it was a good I profited around 1.5 R, as I got close, I got like stop around here, and then the price is from here. But I can't help it, I took my chances by closing above 8 EMA. Yeah, so but I think this is not a good entry. By the way, I just a disclaimer, I re-entered around here. Yeah, so I still think this is a good entry now. As you can see, it's got hard rejected off the 9 EMA. Bish, bish, boom. So yeah, so I think that's a good entry now, and you can simply, for me, I like to write a medium trend for this, as Atlas is now in the price discovery mode. So I'll simply set my stop loss maybe 180 hours at 20 EMA. But I can also set it above the AMA, but that's really up to you. Another one I'll talk about is Bengal. Bengal is in the price discovery mode and got rejected off hard of 9 EMA. As usual, this is quite easy. Just place your orders around here. Just place your SLY ATR over 9 EMA. Yeah. And then, by the way, just another disclaimer, I'm in this trade also. And now I'll be AGLD. So AGLD is, I'm in this trade, but I mean like I around here. But right now, yes, like this candle is sort of a bit vague. but I can see how it react after EMA, and then yeah, the drill is the same for Celsius also. Yeah, Celsius, okay, it's also another price discovery mode, so I think you can see how's my trading style like. Yeah, so it's just another price discovery mode, and the drill is still the same, 1 ATR above the 9 EMA. And now with flow, okay, this one I'm not inside the trade, but it's quite interesting since that it's now it breaks down of its range over here, and now it's all-time low. And yeah, we simply just ride the trend as we are trend followers, and we simply ride the trend until the very end. So yep, these are some of the trades I am interested in or have been in, and you can feel free to take a look. And if you want the more alpha where I post like more time sensitive information, take a look at my trading view, as I'll take some of the shots that I will take or trades I'll make and they are time sensitive, as making a YouTube video is more time consuming, and trading via Twitter as is a better platform for me to get my information out quicker. So yeah, so I can see I caught police and caught step, and we are doing quite well. Okay, I share police. Yeah, so police, okay, I profited like 2.5R, which is really quite sick for me. Yeah, so follow me at Twitter and TradingView2, and if you like this content, please like and follow, and this costs you nothing at all. And yeah, so that's all, and thank you for your time. Bye bye.